Hey everyone, I'm Schlachter. I'm here with Nee Lee, and we're with Houston Family Nutrition. So we're putting some amazing recipes together today. Very family-friendly, delicious stuff. We got fruited oatmeal, a nice way to start the day. And again, get the kids involved in getting these recipes prepared. So Nee, walk us through what we got.
So again, we're making fruited oatmeal, and today we have already prepared instant oatmeal. We also have canned peaches, which we already diced, as well as apples, and we have some raisins as well, and to top it off, some cinnamon.
So as you see, we have a lot of great flavors coming together, classic combos with oatmeal, and again, oatmeal is going to give you those great nutritional benefits, including fiber. Of course, you get those B vitamins, which are super important, and it's very gentle on the developing tummy. So we'll go ahead and mix in some of these diced apples. You could use a spoon right here. Whoops. And I love all the colors going on here today. We're using some Granny Smith apples for the green. The peaches lend a nice little kind of orangish little
Bright
peach color. Yep.
And then we're also going to add the raisins.
Perfect. Those, of course, are typically a kid favorite as well. Nice little sweet, nutritious bite.
And lastly, some cinnamon.
Delicious. And of course, you could toss that all in. And notice, we started off with just regular oatmeal, and the sweetness is really coming from all these natural ingredients. So there's no need for the added sugar, even things like maple syrup, honey, all those different things. This one is oatmeal with fruit. It's got the raisins. It's certainly going to be sweet enough. Remember to cut those fruits down to bite size. And again, let the kiddos mix and match how they put it together. Look at that beautiful, bright, popping colors. You're gonna love this recipe.